creating an interactive course in LearnWorlds can be a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their e-learning experience. But is LearnWorlds the best choice for interactive courses? Let's dive in and see exactly how to create one and whether this platform truly stands up to the hype. First off, once you've logged into LearnWorlds, you'll be greeted by the course creation dashboard. This is where you start building your course. You can easily create your modules, lessons, and quizzes using their intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The best part? LearnWorlds allows you to embed interactive elements like videos, quizzes, and surveys all within your lessons. Next thing, let's talk about video interactions. LearnWorlds makes it simple to add interactive video elements like hotspots or clickable links. If you've ever wanted to turn a passive learning video into a more dynamic experience, this is the feature you'll want to use. But while LearnWorlds offers these features, there are limitations in terms of customization, and it's not always as intuitive as it could be. You might find yourself spending a bit more time than expected adjusting settings and fine-tuning your interactive content. The fourth thing you should know is about the quiz functionality. LearnWorlds gives you the ability to create quizzes with various question types, perfect for testing learners' knowledge. But here's the catch. While LearnWorlds offers solid quiz options, it doesn't have the same depth of customization as some competitors. For example, if you want more complex scoring or branching logic, you'll need to get creative with workarounds, which isn't always ideal. Then, moving on to user engagement features. LearnWorlds has social learning features that let you add forums and communities directly within your courses. This is a great way to keep learners connected and engaged, but some users have found that these features are somewhat limited compared to platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, which offer more robust community building options. Now, let's talk about the pricing. While LearnWorlds offers solid functionality, it comes at a price. The cost can add up quickly, especially when you're looking to unlock more advanced features. Compared to other platforms like Kajabi, which offers a broader suite of tools for creators, LearnWorlds can feel a bit more niche. For those looking for an all-in-one solution, it might not be the best fit. However, what if there were a better option? Stick with me because I'll tell you about an alternative at the end of this video that offers a superior experience for creating interactive courses, plus it comes with a better free trial. Before I wrap up, let's go over the main takeaway. LearnWorlds is a powerful platform for creating interactive courses, but it does come with a few drawbacks. If you're okay with its limitations and you're looking to use interactive videos and quizzes, it's a solid choice. But if you want more customization, community engagement, and a broader set of tools, there are alternatives that might serve your goals better. I've included a link in the description where you can access an exclusive extended free trial of LearnWorlds. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, I've also added some amazing alternatives that are actually better suited for creating interactive courses. And through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits, which are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching!